how to wash a John Deere lawn tractor. This is how I do it anyway.
Or how to properly wash two John Deere lawnmowers. They haven't been washed in a while, and I know you'd enjoy watching it. First thing, I get a broom and brush it all off, you know, I go underneath and all that, but I'm lazy. I could use my compressor. Look how dirty it is. I have a compressor. You could use compressed air and blow it all out good, but or a leaf blower like I have. I'm just lazy, you know. I have all that stuff, but I'm lazy. And I just want them shined up a little bit. Look at this. So I'll blow a lot of this stuff off. It's gonna look nice. And you don't want to use dish soap or something like that, you know. I have a good car wash soap that I'm going to use. Although, that's plastic and that's metal. Let me go get my blower. This works. Well, blow me down. Now I need a hose. They look kind of dirty, right? Well, you see them, they're going to shine up good. I should take the broom to it a little more down there. Washing them up. Sometimes I forget which is which. I could blow that out better too, but right now I want to just clean the outside. Well, these have a self-cleaning deck too, see? I did that before, but they say it's not good to get water all up in there, you know? Rust out your bearings. But they both have that attachment for the garden hose. I use this car wash cleaner. Luster Lab LXR, whatever that is. Pour a little bit in there. Much. A couple capfuls. Make some suds. Not out there. Lots of suds. Hose them down. That'll help. Oh, look at that. It's yellow again. Start from the top down, like a car, you know. Wow. Dirty headlights, dirty seat. That's an LA 145 and that's a D105 over there, automatic. With the mag wheels. Start at the top. Remember when I bought this? You'll remember. Nice D105 from Home Depot. that LA 145, the 2-cylinder. That's like a little pickup truck to me. I love it. Remember how I got that one. They look better already. Just hose them off, they look better. Don't you think? Beautiful. All right, let me get my soap. I'll do a little bit under here. Is the motor too wet? It's pretty clean though. Not bad. Well, they leave them out in the rain at Home Depot, right? I don't want to do that. When I bought that one from Home Depot, I said, I don't want one that's sitting out in the rain. So they gave me one from inside. What fun. Thought you'd be watching me do this today. Washing 2 lawnmowers? What else are you gonna do, right? So nice. Probably clean yours differently. Like I said, you probably get the air compressor out, which I'll do. Sometimes I get underneath and scrape it with a putty knife. All the grass stuck up in there. I forget you. Nice bath. Nice bath. Oh, you like it? Eyes lit up. Lovely. Oh, there's no cleaner than that one. Bumper, I had to install that. John Deere. Clean mag wheels. You should see how they look from here. Yeah, it's in good shape. This one has 124 hours on that one. This has 169. That's good for both of them, right? Yep. When I first got it, I was worried about every little branch scratching it and everything. I had a roof on it for a while, remember, a canopy? But I hit some low branches in it, it kind of broke itself off. It was fun though, with that canopy up there. Easy oil change here, I did that already, you can find that in my John Deere playlist. Alright. Close them off. brightened up. Just that dirt on there, you know, kind of embedded in there. You love it. Watching on the big screen or on your phone. HDGAT. So nice. Well, that's how I do it. Make it clean, squeaky clean, put them back in the garage. We had a race with them already out front. Just do that on my John Deere playlist too. Right? Oh, we had 3 of them out there one day, right? That red one. I think we were towing the red one around and we had both of these. I still got that red one. I got to work on valves. Love it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Go wash your mower. Oh. Oh. The Lawn Ranger. That's the way you do it. And of course I do dry them off, you know, around the water spots. Oh, what fun that was. Look how nice they are. They're beautiful. Yes. Dry them off. See you. Take it easy. Man, that felt good though, I'm telling you that.